Industry and repair service. According to official statistics, the waste from corrosion in the United States exceeded $1.4 trillion in 2014. According to our data, about 40 to 50% of machines and structures are operated in aggressive environments. Corrosion appears to be the cause of accidents in 70% of cases. 22.8% of the fires are caused by the short circuit of electrical equipment. Your equipment requires timely and long-term protection. Industrial line product by Nanoprotech. Our unique formula guarantees absolute displacement of moisture. Nanoprotech is produced in the United States. The latest scientific achievements in the field of nanotechnology are used as the base of production. Nanoprotech is the only proven effective method that will protect metal, electric and electronic parts, tools, machinery, and equipment from all forms of moisture, condensation, salt water, acid rain, chlorinated water, chemical vapors. It forms a waterproof protective layer. Strong capillary effect allows it to penetrate without the need to disassemble into parts. Possesses excellent lubricating properties. Has no adverse effects. Stops corrosion at any stage of development. Application of Nanoprotech today becomes a significant profit tomorrow. Nanoprotech ensures proper operation of the equipment and its absolute protection from moisture. Let's stop waste together. We've made the high-performance products. Now it's your turn.